this car we're going to replacement all the air con system, compressor, condenser, dryer, cooling coil, all the parts. First, uh, you can see the compressor have a leakage oil, gas also leakage here. So customer already long time use this condenser, compressor, everything dryer. So we're going to replace all. So first time we refill and leaking test, and then everything done. Aircon was cold, but couple days later, aircon gone, gas gone. So we going to change this customer all old parts. This one the dryer. This car is an old model. This one the condenser condition not very good, and inside the cooling coil. So all parts open. All parts open from here. This was the cooling coil area. You open. So that's the job. And also we're going to change all the hose, aircon hose, cause we're going to replace one set full. I all parts already come. This one new compressor, cooling coil, dryer, and condenser. So this all the old parts, and this one all the new parts. So I'm going to put back to. So we expect the customer will very satisfied to feel the cold air.
Oke, Babu. Ini hari apa bikin? Buat apa?
Ini hari this car going to change all aircon system, compressor new, coil new, and dryer new, condenser, all everything going to change. Cause customer complain, aircon not cold so much. Couple days ago we refilled, but after couple days the gas leaking. So we're going to change all the old parts to convert to new parts. So we expect the problem will be solved.